favorite recipes. Literally, this is probably top 3 favorite recipes of all time. This recipe is keto and low carb. It's delicious. It's called white chicken enchiladas. So I've already done a lot of the prep work that is required for this recipe because y'all don't want to watch me cook chicken and shred chicken, like I'm pretty sure, right? And if you guys are hopping on, say hi, say hello. Let me know where you guys are watching from. What the hell is actually happening? We don't know. All right, hold on. I thought I got this, but I didn't. I don't know what's happening. Okay, this is cream cheese that I'm putting into my shredded chicken. So I just cooked this chicken with pink Himalayan salt, pepper, and garlic powder with a little bit of avocado oil, and yeah. So that's what this chicken is. Super simple, nothing crazy. And now I'm adding in 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. What else am I supposed to add? I think I'm supposed to add this cheese over here. I'm not really sure. I don't remember. I made this recipe a million times and I still don't know the recipe. So here we are. Which, by the way, if you guys want access to all of my yummy, delicious recipes that I make all the time that help me lose 30 pounds of fat in 3 months, you guys can just drop recipes in the comments below. And I'll get you guys access to my free website with all my recipes, my meal plans, and it even has my workouts in there too if you guys are into working out. So anyway, say hi, say hello. Hey Erica, hey Marcia, hey Heather, hey Kaylin. Say hi, say hello, hi Naya. All right, so what else am I supposed to do? Chicken with cream cheese, garlic powder. Okay, so I'm supposed to add a little bit of garlic powder. I already added garlic powder to the chicken, but oh well, whatever. We'll just add some more. Anybody down here like garlic? I love me some garlic. Y'all can drop garlic in the comments below. All right, what else? We're supposed to mix this together, so I'm gonna need like a little mixer. Oh no, this is literally not gonna work. Maybe it will. I don't know. The cream cheese is not as soft as I thought it was. All right. Anyways, hi Mary, hi Michelle, hi Erica. Merry Christmas to you guys too. Happy Hanukkah if you celebrate that. Okay, well, if you make this recipe, make sure that your cream cheese is nice and soft, all right? Don't use hard cream cheese, Carrie. Hi, girl, how are you? Do me a favor, you guys, and share out the video. Sharing helps me out a ton. It's a great way to support me. It also is a way for you to get access to my weekly prize pack giveaway. So all you do to be entered to win that is share the video. So maybe if the chicken was a little bit warmer, this would be mixing a whole lot easier, but that's okay. We just want it like semi-mixed. Doesn't have to be perfect, y'all. Hi, Renee. Hey, Shelby. Say hi. Say hello. Share the video and then comment share whenever you're done for your chance to win the weekly giveaway. All right. I just automatically got it really hot. We don't know why, but we're just going to keep moving on. All right. So I already made my sauce, which is right over here, and it's boiling all over the place. Hold on. Always gotta go crazy like that for no reason. All right, so my sauce, the recipe, how about this? I'll put the recipe in the description above, but if you guys want access to all of my other recipes, just drop recipe in the comments below, because the sauce is like a series of different things, and like if I just like ramble it out, you're not gonna remember anyway, so I'll put it in the description, okay? Okay, deal? Do we have a deal? If we have a deal, drop deal in the comments below. Mary, thank you for sharing. Karen, thank you for sharing. I appreciate you. Live from Indiana. Hey, I love it. Yeah, y'all let me know where you guys are watching from so I can say hi to you. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to move this over here because we don't need this. I don't know why I took this off of there. It was like boiling and it was scaring me a little bit. So we're going to move this over here. It's freaking hot. Freaking hot. All right, and now what we're going to do is we are going to fill our enchiladas. All right. So we're just going to fill this. Hold on, let's see. Soda, sour cream, canned chili, blah, 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 whatever. Okay, so we're just going to fill these with the chicken sauce, the chicken and cream cheese, whatever we got going on right here. This utensil is not the best, but it's fine. We're just going to make do with what we got. What are you guys having for dinner? Y'all can let me know in the comments below. If you guys are watching live, drop live. If you're on the replay, drop a replay so I know that you were able to stop by and watch the video. All right, this is about to get a little messy, but it's fine. It's fine. All right, let's just pull all these out. How about that? Hi, Diana. Hey, Veronica. All right, fill these up. I like them nice and thick. I like them full. Mmm, yummy. I like extra sauce too. I like them saucy. Buggy, what are you doing, boy? Running around being crazy, boy? Being crazy, boy? Okay, that's a chunk of cream cheese right there. Krista's live. Hey, Krista. Hi, Ashley. Y'all are having spaghetti. Oh my God, I love spaghetti so much. Butter chicken drumsticks. Ooh, you guys are gonna have to start sharing your recipes with me, and then maybe I can make them like lower carbish, low carb-ish is the key word there. Oh yes, these are gonna be so good. This is one of my favorite recipes. One thing that I did mess up though is for the chilies, the green chilies. Are they called chilies or chiles? I don't really know. Somebody correct me. But I was supposed to buy the actual green chilies, and I bought the green chili sauce. So don't actually have the green chilies in my sauce, but I have the flavor of the green chilies, so I guess that's okay. But I prefer to have the actual green chilies in my enchiladas because it's so good. Beef vegetable soup. Ooh, that sounds amazing. Hi, Barbara. Hi, Danielle. Hey, Floyd. Hi, Elaine. All right, so I think I have enough for one more. Probably two more. I'll do two more. These are just going to be wimpy ones. Hi, Danielle. Hi, Alora. Say hi. Say hello. And have you shared the video out? Yes or no? Yes or no? All right, so I'll be live tomorrow, you guys, to pack your trials, just in case you're one of the several who are waiting for their trial to be shipped. If you want to grab a trial, the link is in my profile under where it says grab your trial. And as always, I pack trials live. So, all right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this over here, move this out the way. Get out my way. Y'all see Brawley's little head? Hey, Stephanie, what's up, Amy? All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. I'm going to pour it, the sauce. It's way more creamier than what it usually is because, again, I got the chilies, the green chili sauce instead of the green chilies. But basically all I'm going to do is just pour this over the top of the enchiladas. Yes. 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 Oh my God. So good. I use every single carb tortilla thing too. Is this hot? It's not hot. Ah! It is hot. I forgot to show you guys what tortillas I'm using. So I'm using the La Bantarita carb counter tortillas. They are 4 grams of net carbs per each tortilla. So I'm just gonna make sure it's nice and even. Slap on some more cheese. Wait, what's the recipe say to do? Let's just follow the recipe. All right. Pour the sauce of the enchiladas and top with remaining cheese. Okay, I knew what to do. And then we're gonna bake this for 22 to 25 minutes. And then switch to broiler for a few minutes to brown the cheese. Woo! This is about to be so bussin'. Hi, Jennifer. Hey, Amanda. Hey, Mallory. Can you guys do me a favor? I know some of you guys are watching this and you don't ever comment. And I just need to ask you for a favor. Is it okay if I ask you for a favor? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments below. I got those tortillas from Walmart. I need you guys to do me a favor. If you enjoy watching me, what I need you to start doing is I need you to start talking to me. I need you to start engaging with me. Start dropping comments. That's how I get to know you guys. And also that's how, like, it helps me out a ton whenever you comment. It helps me out a ton whenever you share. It helps me out a ton when you tap my stories and you click the heart and you do what I tell you to do. There's a reason why I ask you guys to comment so many things. It's because it really helps my video out a ton. So if you guys could please just let me know where you're watching from. Let's start there. Just drop your state or your country in the comments below. And start talking to me more, okay? Because sometimes I feel like I'm on these live videos and I'm talking to myself and it hurts my feelings, okay? Y'all hurt my feelings a little bit. All right, let me put this in the oven real quick. Hold on. 22 to 25 minutes at 350. Let's put a timer on because I will forget. So I'm going to go ahead and start the timer at 22 minutes, and then if I feel like it needs a little bit more, we'll add a little bit more, and then we're going to broil it, okay? So If you haven't already shared the video, go ahead and tap the little arrow button at the bottom corner. Share it to your page, share it to a friend, and then that way you guys can get an entry for my weekly prize pack giveaway, which, by the way, the winner of last week did not claim her prize. What a tragedy. Anyways, Danielle says, I feel like that's all I do is talk to myself. I love it. What's up from Minnesota? Hey, what kind of sauce are you using? So I made my own sauce. I'll put the recipe in the description above, but if you guys want all my recipes, just drop recipes in the comments below. I'll shoot you over my website. It's completely free. And yeah, it also has my workouts too. So anyways, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. You guys are incredible. Y'all make me so, y'all make this so much more fun whenever you talk to me. So I really appreciate you guys. I hope y'all have a good night, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.